Okay, for this to work, you're going to have to enable the ANT landscape add-on in preferences. Now you can add in a new kind of mesh, which is called landscape. There's a lot of different preferences for these, but I'm going to just use one of the mountain presets. For the mountain texture, I'm going to import this picture of mountains and I'm going to plug it into the base color for the material and into the specular here. Now it's not really doing anything, so in the UV editor I'm going to press U unwrap, but that unwraps the whole thing like a square. So go to whatever position you want the camera to be in for your shot and press U, project from view. Now we have a mountain being projected up like this, and you can create more by just duplicating them around with Shift D. A good way to kind of merge the whole thing together is to add in a cube and give it volumetrics to make some nice fog. And it's just a quick little way to throw together a nice looking mountain scene in very little time.